What it do?
Okay. Let's try this again.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, I already went to the junkyard. You see my hands are already dirty. But I'm finna just do something just because I just been wanting to do it, you know what I'm saying? Got a couple studs messed up. So I went and bought me some new used hubs from the junkyard, you know what I'm saying? Front wheel hubs. I still gotta change the ones in the wheel bearings in the back, but I got me some new wheel bearings for the front. We finna go ahead and replace those. They really quick though. It's really, you take the caliper off, take the 4 bolts off, unplug it, and then that's it, honestly. But I'm finna go ahead and show y'all that. I'm finna go ahead and lift the car up, take the wheel off, and then I'm finna go ahead and do that for y'all. So y'all stay tuned and watch me change this wheel bearing, because y'all probably need to change too. I know it's a lot of videos out there, but ain't no video like mine, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no video like mine. So boy, if you don't, I'm finna go ahead and get into it, lift the car up, get everything I need done, and I'm gonna see y'all in just a second, no cap. Alright y'all, so moving, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and took the caliper off. It's 218s. I got my little wrench or whatever. Got 218s, you know what I'm saying? Pull those off right there, and then as you see right there, you got 4. Well, you got 4 bolts. You got this one up here, and it's basically 4. It's these 4 right here. I can't remember the focus. These 4. So they 15s. And how you do is pull them off. You know what I'm saying? So you just put them on like that. Hopefully these ain't tight. Just put them on. I'm loosening all mine, cuz. Once you start getting them by hand, you just really gonna do it all by hand. So get them on like this. Let me see if I can fit this one up in there. So let me try to see if this works. Last time I tried it, I think this was gonna roll out. So let me just try it. It might just been that one little socket. I think it's that for real. I don't know. Let me see. Nah, it bent it off. Why is my camera not so focused? Camera not focusing. Let me see. Try this. I don't know if you can see it though, but just use this one. Back this up for y'all. Gladly I don't stay in a soft state, so all this stuff come off easy. See, look, already. So yeah, the reason I'm trading them is because like you hear it and it just don't. It might not even be bad, but it don't ride smooth like the other one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these out, replace them. Pretty simple. So boom. I can pull this one out. But normally this one right here is kind of hard to get to, especially when you pull the boat out. So got that one pulled out. This one's still kind of tight on this side. Because it's not all the way on there. Let's see, can I twist it up by hand? Yeah. Alright, I got one more at the bottom. And then after this one, Should be able just to pull it out. Boom. See, this one good. This one just pull right up out of there. Only thing that's kind of got me is you see how these got connectors to them. With the ones I got. See, these the one I got. And these just like built in, so I don't know if that'll make a difference, but as you see, like, see that one just spin freely. That one really ain't, so I gotta, then after you do that, you wanna pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood, you should see the other side of the plug, right? Boom, boom. This one probably failed. This right here. Just pull this one out. So normally you got your intake box right here. And it's normally like bolted like this. I think it go like it's normally bolted like this, so you'll have to go behind the box. But since I don't got it, made it pretty easy. Then you wanna pull these up out of there. I need a flag. I got a flag up here. Let me see. I moved this somewhere. Now look, I ain't gonna be able to find that. Man, I'm just gonna pull that up out there. Watch this. Watch this. Damn, I ain't want that to happen, but just pull this up out of there. Then you got these. Right here, you just put that in. But I gotta use two hands. Just squeeze these two right here. You see those? Well, damn, my camera won't focus for nothing. Basically, you push these two in. Most people use probably some sockets or something, but mine just pull right out. So, here go this one. Let's see if he got any play to it. Probably ain't even need it for real, but I'll be driving, I'll be needing it. So I'm finna go ahead and clean this off on my wire wheel or whatever. And then I'm finna just go ahead and throw this one back in. And when we get to the other side, I'm probably gonna make a quick, whoa. I'm probably gonna make a reel for the other side. So stay tuned for Instagram or whatever. So, got the old one out. And then, if you notice, like on this one, let me see, would that be better? Like if you look at these studs, like this one right here, that one right there, this one right here. I had when I had the rims a long time ago, well, I still got them. I just didn't do YouTube then. The stud, well, they didn't put the wheel back on and it broke all the studs, so I had to put new studs in it. And let's just say I put them in there the best I could, so I'm finna go ahead and wire wheel this up. Well, wire wheel this up real quick, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on. All right, y'all. So I ain't do that much of good, but I did a little something. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up so y'all can see me put this back in real quick. can feel it inside here. So I'm gonna go ahead, do this all back. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But take this, slide this back up in there. Take this, slide that back up in that hole. Boom. Then I forgot I took that one off that other one, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. Push that through there. Boom, that's toe already, so we're gonna slide that back up in there. We're gonna try to slide that back up through there. Let's see if we can find it on top. Yep. Grab it right here. Find the other side. Let's see if it'll hold y'all like that. Like this. Like this. Simply just plug it back in. See? You're gonna hear the click. It's in there. Boom. That's how simple it is. So now I gotta. I don't know this. Nah, cause it's finna be. I can tell it ain't even finna be on there tight. So I'm finna go ahead and find a way to pop this off. Let me see. Do I got anything? I can like use my keys. Do I got my keys? No. We're gonna do a little engineering. You know what I'm saying? Little nigga mechanics. Nigga mechanics. Alright. Let that close. Now watch this. Watch this. Hold on. Boom. Ha! Told you. Now we just finna snap this on here. So if it go like this, you can already see how it's bent. Yeah, told you. Go ahead and snap this back around like this. Push this in. Boom. This side broke, so ain't no putting that back in that one, but at least it's right there. I might just, should I zip it tied to here? I got some zip ties. Yeah, that's probably what I'm doing. I'm probably just gonna zip tie right there. But you see, this one ain't got no sound to it. So first, what you want to, next, what you want, well, I'm gonna stitch y'all back up. First, I ain't gonna lie, when I used to spin this wheel, I used to think the brake caliper was stuck or something. Oh yeah, we lit, no cap. We just turned. You see how that roll? Good roll. When y'all think it's gonna stop? When y'all think that shit gonna stop? That shit ain't stopping, nigga. We gotta do everything we can to get this front end alignment. So don't talk about me when I get to start talking, because guess what? I can't. What if my ABS lights went off? That'd be crazy. Alright, bet. That's how you change a wheel bearing. So I'm finna go ahead, do a quick side by side. The only difference on this side really is that the plug is up here. So you just take it from here, push this little clip in. Hold on. This one. It'll pop off. Alright. Then same thing for this side. Take the wheel off, take the caliper off. Let me set you up there, right? Take the wheel off, take the brake hold caliper off, and then you got the 415s, and that's how you take it off.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting